What is an ETF? And more importantly, if they're really such a great way to invest, how do you actually find them? If you watch the video to the end, you'll learn everything about ETFs. We'll get to details in a moment, but first, let's make sure we truly understand what an ETF is. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund, but don't let the name scare you. It's actually a simple concept. An ETF is just a basket of investments that you can buy with one click. Imagine walking into a grocery store. You could spend all day picking apples, bananas, and oranges one by one. Or you could grab a ready-made fruit basket that already has a bit of everything. That basket, that mix, is exactly what an ETF does. Instead of buying single stocks, you buy one basket that contains hundreds of companies inside it. For example, the S&P 500 ETF includes small pieces of the 500 biggest US companies: Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Coca-Cola, and hundreds more. So when you buy one share of that ETF, you instantly own a piece of all those companies at once. If they grow, your investment grows too, without you having to manage anything. And here's where ETFs stand out. They trade on the stock market just like any regular stock. You can buy or sell them anytime during the day, with no special paperwork or fund manager. You're in full control. They're also incredibly affordable. Most ETFs charge a small management fee, sometimes as low as 0.05% per year, while traditional mutual funds can charge 1% or more. That might not sound like much, but the difference adds up fast. Let's make it real. If you invest $10,000 in a mutual fund charging 1% per year, you'll pay around $100 in yearly fees. But if you invest the same $10,000 in an ETF with a 0.05% fee, you'd pay just $5. That's $95 saved every single year. And over decades, that saving compounds into thousands of extra dollars staying in your pocket. And the best part? You don't have to be a financial expert to start. ETFs are built for everyday investors who want something simple, diversified, and low cost. You can start with any amount, $50, $100, and you're already investing in hundreds of companies across different industries. There are ETFs for almost everything: technology, healthcare, clean energy, real estate, even entire countries or global markets. You can invest in renewable energy, AI, or even dividend-paying companies. If there's a trend, there's probably an ETF for it. Now you might be wondering, okay, but where can I actually find these ETFs? Here's the easiest part. There are free websites like etfdb.com, where you can explore thousands of ETFs by category, performance, or sector. You can filter by risk level, fees, or even what industries they invest in. It's like a search engine for investors, all in one place. So the next time you hear someone mention ETFs, you'll know exactly what they mean: a simple, low-cost, flexible way to invest in many companies at once. And if you're ready to take the next step, check out etfdb.com and start exploring which one fits your goals best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.